It's 8:30. You can see the wet dry line. 2 steps to the sand spikes. We're still on a high tide. Another little guy. Must be a school of small ones out there. I'll make one more cast, look for the big one. I've been seeing the coquina clams, and that's why the whitings are coming back in to feed on them. If you're not able to get to the beach early, night fishing might be another option for you, especially now that we're getting crowds midday. First time, long time coming up at night. As soon as it hit the water, bite.